Good morning everyone. I welcome you all in the class of the chapter Determination of Income and Employment. I hope you all have seen my previous videos on this chapter, that is Determination of Income and Employment, and in this video I will be explaining numericals on Determination of Income and Employment. Let's proceed further with the first numerical, that is if in economy consumption function is given by C is equals to 100 plus 0.75y and autonomous investment, that is I bar, is equals to 150 crores, you have to calculate the equilibrium level of income by ADS approach, that is aggregate demand aggregate supply approach. Always remember, the condition for equilibrium level of income is aggregate demand is equals to aggregate supply. And aggregate demand we can write it as C plus I in two sector economy, that is consumption plus investment. Aggregate supply we can write it as Y, that is national income. C is 100 plus 0.75y, that is given in the question, and autonomous investment is 150, that is also given in the question, is equals to y. 100 plus 150 is 250 and 1y minus 0.75y is 0.25y. 250 divided by 0.25 is equal to 1000. So income is 1000 crores. So answer will be rupees 1000 crores. Numerical 2. In this question, saving function of an economy is S is equals to minus 200 plus 0.25y. The economy is in equilibrium when income is equal to 2000. That means equilibrium level of income is given in the question, that is rupees 2000 crores. You have to calculate the investment expenditure at equilibrium level of income. That means I you have to calculate, and autonomous consumption you have to calculate, that is denoted by C bar. So let's begin with the solution of numerical 2. Savings at equilibrium level of income is given as S is equals to minus 200 plus 0.25y. This is given in the question. We will put the value of y in this equation. That is given in the question as rupees 2000. So S is equals to minus 200 plus 0.25 multiplied by 2000. That is the value of y, national income. Minus 200 plus 500 comes as 300. Saving is equals to 300. And you know that at equilibrium level of income and employment, where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, savings are also equal to the investment. So when savings are 300 crores at equilibrium level of income, then investment will be also equal to 300 crore at equilibrium level of income. So investment will be rupees 300 crores. And autonomous consumption we can find out from the consumption function only. This S is equals to minus 200 plus 0.25y. When income is 0, savings are equal to minus autonomous consumption. That shows the dis savings. So S is equals to minus C bar, and here C bar is 200. So autonomous consumption will be 200. Next numerical. It is saying that in an economy the autonomous investment is rupees 100 crore and consumption is given as C is equals to 80 plus 0.4y. Is the economy in equilibrium at income level of rupees 400? So question is asking that whether the economy is equilibrium at 400 level of income. So we will begin with the equation, that is aggregate demand is equals to aggregate supply, because at equilibrium AD is equals to AS, and AD we can write it as C plus I, that is consumption plus investment in two sector economy, and AS we can write it as Y, that is national income. Again C is given as 80 plus 0.4 Y, and autonomous investment is given as rupees 100 crore is equals to Y. 80 plus 100 is 180. 1y minus 0.4y is 0.6y. 180 divided by 0.6 is equal to 300. So equilibrium level of income comes as rupees 300 crores. But in the question the income level is given as 400. So we can say that economy is not at equilibrium at 400 level of income. Numerical 4, it is saying in an economy the autonomous investment is rupees 60 crore, that is I bar is 60 crore. Marginal propensity to consume is 0.8, that is MPC. If the equilibrium level of income is rupees 400 crores, then the autonomous consumption is rupees 30 crore. True or false? Justify your answer. So you have to calculate autonomous consumption whether it is 30 crore or not. At equilibrium level, again aggregate demand is equals to aggregate supply. Aggregate demand we can write it as consumption plus investment, that is C plus I, and aggregate supply we can write it as Y, that is national income. C is C bar plus 0.8Y. C bar autonomous consumption we have to calculate in this question, and MPC is 0.8. Consumption function is C is equals to C bar plus BY. B is MPC and that is 0.8 in this question. Y is national income. Plus 60, that is autonomous investment, it is given in the question, is equals to 400, that is equilibrium level of income. Y. C bar plus 0.8 multiplied by 400, that is Y given in the question as 400, plus 60 is equals to 400. So we can calculate this equation and C bar will be rupees 20 crores. That is, we can say our autonomous consumption is rupees 30 crore, but it is given in the question, but answer just we have calculated is 20 crore. So we can say the statement is false, that autonomous consumption will be 30 crores. That is the incorrect statement. The next numerical, it is asking that you have to calculate investment expenditure and consumption expenditure when equilibrium level of income is rupees 5,000, autonomous consumption is rupees 500 crore and marginal propensity to consume is 0.4. First we can find out the consumption expenditure by this equation, that is C is equals to C bar plus BY. C bar, that is autonomous consumption, given as 500. B is MPC, marginal propensity to consume, that is given as 0.4, and equilibrium level of income is given as 5,000. So we can calculate the consumption expenditure by just adding 500 and 2000, that is 2500 crores. So this is the consumption expenditure. At equilibrium level of income, we know that aggregate demand is equals to aggregate supply. Aggregate demand we can write it as C plus I, that is consumption plus investment in two sector economy, and aggregate supply we can write it as Y, that is national income. So the equation will be Y is equals to C plus I at equilibrium level of income. Y is 5,000, that is given in the question, and C we have just calculated it as 2500 plus I, that we have to calculate, that is the investment expenditure. 5,000 minus 2500, that comes to us 2500 crores. So investment expenditure will be 2500 crores. Numerical 6. Calculate autonomous consumption expenditure, that is C bar, from the following data about an economy which is in equilibrium. National income is given as rupees 1200 crore. Marginal propensity to save is 0.20 and investment expenditure is rupees 100 crores. So MPS is given in the question, but we have to calculate MPC, that is marginal propensity to consume. So we know the equation MPC plus MPS is equals to 1. So when MPS is 0.20, then MPC we can calculate 1 minus MPS, that is 0.80. So MPC will be 0.8. Now consumption equation we can write it as C is equals to C bar plus 0.8y. This is the MPC we have just calculated with the help of MPS, marginal propensity to save. Y is equals to C plus I. This is the equilibrium condition, because at equilibrium aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, and aggregate demand we can write it as C plus I, that is consumption plus investment, and aggregate supply we can write it as Y, that is national income. So here Y is equals to C, that is C bar plus 0.8 Y plus I, that is given in the question as rupees 100 crores. So Y is also given in the question, that is 1200. We have just put the value of Y here is equal to C bar plus 0.8 multiplied by 1200, that is Y, plus 100. So we will solve this equation as 1200 is equals to C bar plus 0.8 multiplied by 1200, that is 960 plus 100. 960 plus 100 will be 1060. 1200 minus 1060 will be 140. So the autonomous consumption expenditure will be equal to 140, or we can say that C bar is equals to 140 crores. Numerical 7. It is saying in an economy C is equals to 200 plus 0.5y. Here autonomous consumption is 200 and MPC is 0.5 and Y is the national income. Is the consumption function where C is the consumption expenditure and Y is the national income. Investment expenditure that is given in the question is rupees 400 crore in the economy in equilibrium at an income level of rupees 1500 crore. You have to justify your answer. Let's begin with the consumption function that is given in the question as C is equals to 200 plus 0.5y and investment expenditure is given as rupees 400 crores. So at equilibrium level of income, we all know that aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, and we also can write it as Y is equals to C plus I. Y is aggregate supply and C plus I, that is consumption plus investment, is aggregate demand. So Y is equals to 200 plus 0.5y. This is the consumption and investment is 400. 200 plus 400 will be 600. 1y minus 0.5 will be 0.5y. Y will be equal to 600 divided by 0.5, that comes to as 1200 crores. But in the question it was asking that is the economy in equilibrium at income level of 1500 crore. So we can say that the equilibrium level of income is 1200 crore, not 1500 crore. So the economy is not in the equilibrium at 1500 crore. The next numerical is asking about to calculate marginal propensity to consume, that is denoted by small p. From the following data, an equilibrium income is given as rupees 350, consumption expenditure at zero income is rupees 20, that is C bar, investment is given as rupees 50. So consumption expenditure at zero income, that is C bar, given in the question as rupees 20. Equilibrium level of income, again we can write this equation, y is equals to c plus I. Y is given as 350. C is, you all know the equation of consumption, that is C is equals to C bar plus BY. Here autonomous consumption, that is C bar, is given as 20, and we have to calculate the marginal propensity to consume, that is B, and Y is given as 350. So we can write the consumption equation as C is equals to 20 plus 350 B. Here also it is the same, plus 50, that is the investment expenditure. Now we will solve this equation. 350 is equals to 20 plus 50 is 17. Here you can see this 7070 plus 350b. 350 minus 70 is 280, and it will be divided by 350. So MPC will be 0.8, that is denoted by small b. So we can write it as b is equals to 0.8. That was all about the numericals on determination of equilibrium level of income and employment. You all have to remember one thing, that the necessary condition for equilibrium level of income and employment is aggregate demand is equals to aggregate supply, and in place of aggregate demand we can write consumption plus investment, that is C plus I, and in place of aggregate supply we can write it national income, that is denoted by Y. So with this you can all solve the numericals on this chapter. Thank you.